Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Bigsuper there, right in the vicinity of this road at Elder Park. And right out here we see some work going on with Smith asphalting, yeah? And I say them have the grader people and them are grade down the road. So I see Mr. Whitehead out here, so I go see if I can talk with him and find out where I go on, because the work has started a couple of days now. Them have a lot of rain. Did I hamper them? And I don't know like how the rain take time and slow down. I don't know if them all can get no action on the road now. So we have to talk to the super in charge and give some update for what go on the road there. What go on, Mr. Whitehead? How everything?
Good, man.
More you give me an update, you know, can I see you up on it, the rain up on your shoulder?
Yeah, the rain, I want a major problem.
Yeah. So what go on now?
We're going to do some patching and going down, we're going to sheet off and then a piece of road going on. As me that tell you before,
Yeah.
where vehicles can access to the road.
Yeah.
You know?
Can I see your aisle out Dumfries?
Yeah, but
rain come and wash out the whole of the aisle?
no, it's sun. Yeah, it good.
It good?
Yeah. I like a few might wash off, but it good still because
Okay.
we can use Polax and, you know.
Okay. So like other processes now are going on in terms of preparation to put on the asphalt.
Ready, man. You're ready for pave.
It's ready for pave now?
Ready for pave, but what really it need a little sun when we
Yeah.
dry it out to even make it get better, you know.
Oh,
Make
so-
it a better pavement, but
So
so
we
not
need-
really that still because it is surface hard where the water not really second on it run off down to the bridge.
Yeah.
The problem is I like the bomb steers up there with their shell,
Yeah.
and if you get the material low, you know.
Okay.
Every minute a man call and say bomb there, so you know.
Yeah.
I want to look more film life
Yeah.
first, you know.
Yeah. They look a bomb scare kind of, yeah. It's a
And
slow.
that really a whole way, that really put you back and thing. And
Yeah.
no matter how far, a spade is a spade.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are head if them never hold up the system.
Okay.
You remember how much weeks
Yeah.
they're not doing nothing?
Yeah.
And now, you know, everything is on a rush now.
Yeah, kind of Christmas and politics in the year. So everybody are rush. You understand me?
On a rush now.
Yeah, come find say on night, 8 o'clock at night, I pass and I see you and the team out there work.
Yeah, man, we work late, man. We have
Yeah.
to try and push through, you know, because
Yeah.
you look going back down, you can see how terrible down there is.
Yeah.
You understand me? Going back down,
Yeah.
it's not so good, you know.
Yeah, me understand. So the patching work now is up on schedule. Yeah, and thing, and remember me the talk to the last time, you see you and your team start right
Yeah, we
out
did
here.
take off the heavy dirt, the heavy material,
Yeah.
and now we come with the grader now, grade. So this are the pipeline channel, you see it?
And the pipeline channel list.
Yeah, see there where them run on pipe?
Yeah.
So we are use the backhoe and take it out about 2 inches.
Yeah.
Down deeper, then we put in more 2 inches.
Yeah.
Push through the road. Just straight back.
Also, how far now go with that project? Yeah?
You mean?
That stretch of road, right to there, so you go.
No man, we have go further more, we have past, there's a plaza there,
Yeah,
we have past that go down.
Oh, you pass it go down.
Bus terminus.
All right.
You know you have another, it's a terminus that
Yeah,
goes
man.
round the road.
Yeah.
After you pass the plaza.
And go round to the hotel there.
Yeah, round there, yeah.
Oh, you go right round there, so.
And
Okay.
We are give from church car that will drive right through where
Right
you can
through.
access.
Okay. So that project, you know, you have any time period on it?
As me tell you,
Yeah.
depends how we get the tar.
Okay.
Shell, you know.
I remember say we have in also a rainy season.
Yeah.
And you have to watch that. And see you come now, you scrape off the road. One of the worst thing now is that the
And
rain
then the
come.
rain come back again and things. They need the asphalt as quick as possible.
Yeah.
And because
Yeah.
you can see the base definitely tough, you know.
Yeah.
And
So who no want them to jog them leg pan the leg and make the rain come and mess up back everything.
that from what day that I keep on happening.
Yeah, because when the people them are sent them as now I say them say look like you dig for gold.
Yeah.
And a matter of fact, them say look like you find the gold too.
Yeah.
Because every time you come and dig, it costs the government, don't it? Because I think you dig for free.
No, and you have to do the job proper. So
Yeah.
if you have to go through procedure to procedure.
Yeah.
And when the people them say, where you know if you get it done,
Okay.
Because if you notice them rush it down there so and it never done properly.
Right.
So you have to do it properly and you take time.
Yeah, because even without a license,
because
right
they rush
now,
it.
without a license road a collapse.
You rush
Yeah.
already.
Yeah, right in the vicinity of the pavilion,
Yeah.
the whole out of that section they are undermined right now.
Yeah,
and look
yeah.
like a only see man for come back now, come
Well,
take it over.
Yeah, and you hear them say a thing where say your granny always tell you say
Yeah.
time is the master, you understand me?
Yeah.
And so if you come and you rush it before time,
Yeah.
it's not really done properly, you have to do it properly.
Yeah.
If it take time for done, it have
Yeah.
to take time.
It have to take time for done.
Yeah.
And things. So
whether you dig for gold or not,
yeah. So the gold mine continue, the gold digging continue out here in St. Thomas.
I think, would you really say that?
Yeah.
You understand?
Because you see, 4 years ago I dig, and thing, so we are look for me for next 4 years I digging same way.
Yeah, but sometimes, no.
It's when it did start out at 1 year, them said it couldn't reach 4, I know it passed 4, and I'm going at 5.
Yeah, I understand where you're saying, but it's not going to reach. It's not going to reach this because with the point of the
Yeah.
we are doing things the right.
Well, since you and your team take over, I kind of see things look like it improve. I must admit the fact. Since you and your team take over, I say we are, especially the piece when I do up to license.
Yeah.
Not license, retreat.
Yeah, right, at Jerk Center going from.
Retreat. It's up a retreat
Yeah,
up to the bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Son do a good job. The pipeline man, them have to come back and dig it up. All the bridge and all them. So they have to go back right again to the whole thing.
Yeah.
So you see the gold, that's why the people them are say it look like it's a gold digging thing going out there.
Sometimes some pipe, sometimes some pressure take the pipe them under there and water commission have to come out.
Yeah, because when they talk to the pipeline engineer,
Yeah.
him say the pipe them, something about the pipe never lay right in the first place. And him they have to dig up to join up at the pipe them.
Okay, well, I feed them work that they know.
Yeah.
You understand me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Where the pipe connection concern, I feed them work.
Yeah, man.
We might do our job and then come and dig it up back where
Yeah, man.
I have no control over that.
I know that. So I like when I go on with and keep up the good work.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? And I hope can find enough gold before Christmas.
We're rather we ahead before Christmas, man. We're rather we ahead, man. But as we tell us, the process is do it proper.
Do it proper.
Yeah, that's the whole process.
Alright, Mr. Whitehead. One love. Big up Smith.
Yourself.
Big up Smith Asphalt every time.
And big up yourself, be a big super.
Yeah, man.
Alright. You look like me that look for Taylor, man.
Yeah.
You can't find Taylor.
Most of them they both but you like them busy about that
Over
thing.
Taylor down here, so.
Oh, okay.
I think, you can't find Taylor. Come and see place lock up several times.
No, what happened with the tailor now? The tailor did fly out,
Okay.
But I think him flying back,
Alright.
So hopefully you will see him in the coming week. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright. One love. So
And you go forward, so you see grade and grade the whole road on two sides.
Yeah.
And that's how they
Yeah.
have a pavement right.
Alright, let me have a look pan right now.
Yeah, man. And dump is ready. I just to get started.
Dump it ready. Alright, hear that people. So Whitehead, as long as the rain don't fall. Alright. Some viewers and subscribers. We hear from Whitehead. Whitehead said Dumfries ready and thing as long as the rain don't fall, it goes to asphalt. Bigsuper out here and we are watch the gold digging as it continue ahead in 5 years. So we don't know how much years or how longer these work agency people can continue to dig for gold. You understand? But we wish them all the best. They look like them strike gold. If they never strike gold, they will not dig so every day, every week. So my viewers and sub, with the out on the stretch here where the plaza is and thing, and we are show you them have the grader and them have a big bulldozer out here and them have dig. Same way 5 years of gold digging. Daddy, you feel them strike the gold by now?
Yeah.
You feel them find any gold out here by now?
Where them are find?
Yeah, because a long time them have dig it,
Them have bleach up the election.
Alright, no so nothing.
Election soon comes, so then soon alright.
Alright. Some of you and some. The gen come and say them have beach it up. for the election. So the gold digging continue out in a St. Thomas and Bigsuper there on them case like mad luck, my viewers and subs. So stick and stay. Hello. Whoa, 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 whoa. You never get back to me. We can't talk to you now, here. So my viewers and subs, I want to be loyal subscriber that I talk about something different. So we're out here and we're out on the wharf road here, people. And we just show you what I go on. Because Whitehead make me know that them are go grade the road but all the way around to Villa, round that section, and them a start from out the church corner. So that stretcher, them a bring it pan stream you know, and get it back together. So my viewers and sub, I hope you enjoy what I say. And I tell you the honest truth, I have to just start call it gold digging because I don't really see what else it could have been more than when I dig for gold. Taxi man tell me say, I hope them find some good renter yam. You understand what I say? So stick and stay, people. Tune in to Bigsuper. Remember, like, share and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell and continue to watch the saga take place out here. St. Thomas, Bigsuper. Saying to you guys, peace out.